everybody, welcome to Ankan Handmade channel. Firstly, I want to say thank you for your support to my channel for a long time. Today, I would like to tell you that I will turn on membership button on my channel. You will see join button on my channel. Please click into join button and be member of my channel. The reason I turn on membership on my channel is that I want to give you better quality video and better connecting with subscriber. Some friends know that making the origami is my main job. I am SLE patient when I was 18, so my health is good enough for work as other healthy people. Becoming member of my channel means that you will help me have more income for buy good kind of paper, good material and make better video. That also help me have more income for my medicine and my expense living. It will be no problem if you don't become member of my channel. I still always try my best for make best 3D origami video. I always feel thankful for your support to my channel. There are 3 levels on my channel, silver member, golden member and diamond member. Benefit of being membership of my channel is that you can use member only badge and emotion icon, priority for replying comment, reviewing my video one day before they are public, connecting with me on social network. And there will be a special video for diamond member each month. Finally, I wish you the best. Best regards. Goodbye.